What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we just got done eating some Dion's, so we're heading over to the track. My buddy Jared's gonna be racing his BMW plus a lot of other cars, so we're gonna head over there and get some stuff knocked out. Oh, hello.
Hey, how are you guys?
Good.
Good. Are you just watching today?
Yeah, just watching.
Right.
How much is it?
30.
All right. You got change for 100?
Yes.
All right. Good to be back on the track once again. Today.
Where your Honda at, bro?
I definitely gotta get on my shit.
Next week. I can't wait for that thing. I got two of them. One free one. I've been fucking thinking about that thing going, ooh, I can't wait for that thing.
As y'all know, we're here at the track. It's officially open back up. Got a bunch of cars here today. For an EK Coupe, got a lot of guys out, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to film as much as possible, try to get this thing going. This is like probably the first day I'm up here, so let's see how it goes. So 11.5 is the EK Coupe's personal best. I just met him today, don't really know the guy, but that's really good shit for a front wheel drive car. So I can't wait to get my Civic out. Now that we have the dog box, we should be getting it out more. Right now we got Jared pulling up to the lanes, and we're gonna go over there, hop and record him going as well. So Jared's personal best was a 10.5, so we're trying to get him, hopefully he runs a 10.4.
Here's another.
7 was Jared's time, so got a little things to work out. Hopefully get it all situated, but still a good pass. Being in 10-second passes in high elevation like this is really good, so hopefully we can get him into the low 10s. Hopefully. What up, man? What's going on? FTSV so clean, bro. What? This box is clean as fuck. All original dash and everything. This thing's clean as shit. Wants to track hizzy. Got a track hawk. Got the notch back. What up, man? Couple Corvettes. So he got the wide body carbon fiber on it.
Maybe 10, under 10.5?
And he told me, he's like, if the high back lowering, you actually don't better your 60 foot. He's like, it did for mine. Yeah, he went 1220 stock turbo in Florida. He's an X5, he's a 2016, so he's the same shit. I want to go in that lane over there. The drag lane? Yeah.
All right, so we got Jared again. He's coming up here again for his third pass. Like I said, the first pass we didn't record, the second pass we got, but we never got the third pass. I mean, we're just now getting the third pass. So we should be able to go at 10.4 the first time. He early shifted, so we'll see what he runs right now. I'm gonna actually get up close.
The commander, of course, had to go 454 in it, which is why that happened. Here I go. Upland, we've seen a lot today. He's having a good time. Jesus Portillo, that 93 GT. Right lane. I'm telling you, that BMW right lane, he has dusted more people out here.
10.5.
He is
Yes.
very consistent with that. Yeah, there you go.
So he officially ran a 10.5. We're almost in the 10.4 range. Getting there. We got to get close. So hopefully we can get it. Just got to keep adding little tweaks to it. Little tweaks will get us there. So this is my buddy Stacy in his X5. It's just completely stock. The only thing that he has done to this is a tranny tune, so we're trying to see what he gets accomplished by this tranny tune. I think he ran like a 12.4 his last pass. I didn't record it, so we'll see.
In the Mustang Big at 1214, Mustang 1344. All right, here's that electric Harley again, the live wire. You might remember this is an 11.8 motorcycle here. Surprises a lot of people when they see these electric bikes. Pretty quiet all the way around there, both lanes. All right, Alex Alcala on the Harley.
So bone stock X5. 14.7, I mean 14.1, that's not bad. He ran I think a 14.4 the first time, so he did beat his last race. That's what we like to see. Hopefully we get my car out here one of these days. What the fuck happened now?
No, it was right there.
I know, 10-5. I was like, did you ship early?
10-5-0.
It sounded like you shipped early. Oh no? I was like, damn, it sounded like you shipped early. I was over there like, yeah, he shipped it early as hell.
No, I shipped at the same time every time.
There's that man again. Jared Wilson, left lane at 340I.
So we had a man break a drive shaft on the track.
Right lane long gone, left lane not 40.
We might have to push it off the track. His drive shaft is broke. Sucks. That's part of racing, so.
Doesn't look like there's any liquid on the ground down there.
Yeah, you got a bungee?
Alright guys, so now I'm back at home. It was a cool little track day. Can't stay out there long. It was starting to get hot, so I wanted to like leave, even though I'm not racing my car. And they was just doing bracket racing, so wasn't staying there. I was really just trying to support my boy Jared. Really trying to get him into the low 10s. So got a couple packages. This one right here we're gonna open up, and then we're gonna open up that Speed Factory Racing bad boy package right there. So be patient with that. Let's get this one opened up. Let's see what we got. All right guys, so we got a package here. Car parts as usual. So let's see what we got in this package. I love doing these unboxings, honestly. Let's see. I know what this is, but y'all don't, so that's the fun part. Ooh, what we got here? Ugh. So we got the Blocks Racing camber kit. This is for the Honda, as per usual. So I went with this camber kit just because they gave me a huge discount. So kind of went with these bad boys over these little junky ones. As you can see, these are my Skunk 2 like I forgot what they're called, Skunk 2 2.0s or something like that. So I'm getting these block racings, that way we'll be able to get our car down the track again. So I know this was a major issue, this one especially. No matter how tight I got it, it wiggled, and my tire tend to bounce. Is one of these, so it's this one here. So no matter how tight I got it, it still wiggled and my tire bounced. So I'm glad to have these. We'll get these all dialed in and ready to go. So let's open up this next package over here. Let's toss this to the side. So now we have our box all opened up. Here is the official opening of this Billet B series all-wheel drive Bell Housing. And yes sir, this thing is brand new, not used or anything. So let's get this out the box, set it on the table, and check it out. Jesus. I'm telling you, man, this thing looks nice. I've never owned anything this expensive other than cars themselves. So I'm taking my time building this. Honestly, I do not want this thing to grenade. I make sure I do all my measurements and everything. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. See if I can get both bell housings on top of the table so we can get a side-to-side comparison. Cause this thing already has caught my eye. Look at that. Look at that. Speed Factory. Appreciate y'all 100%. Especially everything y'all did. Let's get this plastic up out of here. Lay this thing down flat. Let me grab the other bell housing and we'll get a side-to-side comparison on this. All right, so this is our new bell housing, Billet Bell Housing, and this is the stock CRV bell housing. As you can see, there is somewhat differences with this. I like how it's machined. It's very clean. You see inside here, we don't have these supports. What they did is they went with a whole solid inside here, just so it can be more sturdy on the inside. I know this one has cracks all through there. If you can't see them through the camera, there's cracks all right here. They went more solid with it on this one, and the major difference will be on this back side. If I can flip this over, I can show you there. It's more solid on this side as far as the holes and everything. Let me flip this one over for you. You see, this one has way more holes than that one. See all these holes? They done took all these holes and filled them. Even around the edge, they filled every last hole. I don't know what they was doing with all these holes. They probably was trying to save weight on this, but on the Billet Bell Housing, it's heavier than this one, but this one's way stronger. So it's a few pounds, not much. You see on the inside of here, they went to a solid kind of insert here as well. And you don't have to worry about it. This bell housing fits all your clutches that go for the B series Honda motors. Fits all of them. You don't have to worry about fitment or anything like that. These are pretty good, pretty sturdy housings, and I'm happy to have one. Now that we have our housing, we have our gears, we're able to start building this thing. But first, I'm gonna have to get some tools to pull out the bearings, install our new bearings that I have. I have brand new bearings. I have to install our new seals. We have new seals for this and everything as well. So once we get our new seals in here and our new bearings, we'll be able to start stabbing everything else in here. Oh, man, I can't stop looking at it. This thing looks great. And this bell housing is rated for 1500 horsepower, and those gears are rated for 1500 horsepower. So we're nowhere near that. So that should be perfect for our build. And goals actually. Some of the guys in the 1500 horsepower range are still running this and the dog box perfectly fine. There are no issues, and they're making 1500 horsepower, so they can't go past 1500 horsepower. It's all about how you set your car up, get a strange gauge and all that stuff. This bell housing is disgusting and tore up, and I got it cleaned and it still looks dirty, so we're gonna work on that. But right now, this is project number 1. So let's get all our transmission stuff ready so we can start racing again. All right, guys, so if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm pretty happy with everything we got here. I do this for y'all, man, just for the content for y'all, so y'all can see. I also love doing this. I'm not gonna just say I do it only for y'all, but I love building cars. So dropping this money for this was no issue, honestly. And I'm hoping if anybody out there is looking to do this, you can watch my videos and learn something. So I'm doing all this, you know, trial by error. So hopefully I can teach y'all a few things about this Billet Bell Housing, his PPG dog box. But I catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna get up out of here and start trying to get this knocked out for y'all. So I catch y'all on that next one. Peace.